Hey y'all, been a minute. So I haven't moisturized my hair in like forever. I've just had my hair up in a messy bun. The perils of working from home, right? Yeah, and it just occurred to me that my hair was looking as crusty as ever. So this is me trying to rectify that. And I have the sun coming in. There's a lot of sunshine coming in from outside. My trusty old bottle, as always, just some drinking water. Actually kind of cold, still cold. I tried to warm it up a little bit, but drinking water and my essential oils, tea tree, lavender and rosemary. Hit the roots first. Get my scalp nice and moisturized. Oh, that feels so good. And then through the body of my locks. Shake, 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 shake. To make sure all that those good essential oils are well distributed. Oops, I got myself in the face. Okay, then get the tips. Really good. Excuse my funny faces. This isn't supposed to be pretty. It just occurred to me that I needed to moisturize my hair because I hadn't done it in a while. And I decided, why not pull out my phone and record myself. So this is what you guys are going to get. Long time no see, by the way. Long time no see. And of course my daughter is at school right now, so this is really early in the morning, by the way. I hate to moisturize my hair at night because I feel like I don't want to go to bed with wet or damp hair, because that's a recipe for mold. Nobody wants their hair to end up stinky. Well, I don't. Can't speak for other people. So yeah, I really need to do better. Regardless, work from home or not work from home, I should start taking better care of my locks. But there's just this term, what I call it, it's laziness, really. That's what it is, to do anything about your locks. When you're not going out, you just leave them permanently on top of your head in a bun. Oh, that feels so good. Hit the center. My scalp. Here's hoping that the rest of your month is good and prosperous for you. And cheers to the weekend. So I'm just going to go ahead. So you can see my hair is now down to armpit length, and just going to go ahead and put them in some braids for a nice braid out. I really don't use anything, no mousse or anything, just my homemade moisturizer. As you can see, I'm coming up close for a texture shot. Don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, the tips of my hair are brown in bright sunshine. I've been thinking a lot about dyeing them, but I keep going back and forth and changing my mind, because we all know what dye can do to locks. So yeah, I just thought to check in, and you all have a wonderful week.